Hey everybody, this is Ben. I just wanted to show you how the patching works for multiple manufacturers with the Motu AVB stuff. So first of all, just so you're aware, it's connected via direct cable with Ethernet. So you can see here I've got my Thunderbolt Ethernet and it's got a self-assigned IP address. So there's this utility up in the menu bar here, and this scans the network for all the Motu devices, and they all show up in a list. They can be renamed, so you can have stage left, stage right, amp room, whatever you want, recording studio. And so if I click on those, it opens up a web browser window where everything can be configured. So here you can see there's sample rate, clock settings, sort of all the usual stuff. You can tell the USB how many channels to use. Again, that's based on sample rate. And then down here is where we set up the AVB. So basically, you can configure a number of streams up to 8, which is, up to 16, which is 128 channels of audio. Each stream is 8 channels of audio. And those you can patch to any other device on the network in batches of 8. And once that's happened, you can go to the routing tab over here. So here we've got all our Mac AVB channels on the top and all of our Motu AVB channels here on the bottom. And if I want to patch them, I can do single channels, or I can do them in a row, or unpatch them. The nice thing about this particular routing matrix is that if I do patch all of these, so now I've got, I've got all of my 16 I/O patched, and I start playing some audio, I'll do that making sure that I've got my 16A selected as the output device here. If I play some audio here, then I see those signal meters in the routing patch bay, so it's a nice way of figuring out what's happening. The other thing that I can do is I can patch, the Motu has a built-in up to 48 input mixer. So if I patch these here, notice the names get filled in for me. Then when I go to the mixing console, you should be able to see, yep, there's our signal right here. You can see there's aux sends, I've got the gate, there's EQ, high pass, all kinds of things. This is all presettable, obviously, and remote controllable too. It's a pretty cool little box. That gives you just sort of a quick introduction into how it's possible to use one person's patch bay to patch multiple different manufacturers together. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.